Ordoro's tagging functionality allows you to mark orders with certain information and also filter to orders with certain tags. It's pretty simple to apply and remove tags, and you can even automatically apply them with our automation rules if you need to tag orders based on certain criteria every time they come in. Users also apply tags to note changes or steps that have been taken on an order while it's being processed. This tutorial is going to demonstrate how to create, apply, remove, filter, and delete tags. So it's a lot, but it's all really simple. So let's get started here on the Orders tab. Just taking a look at it, you'll notice that some orders have these different colored tags on them, little icons. These are our tags in the collapsed view. If you hover over them, you can see whatever the tag name is. And if you expand your orders, you can see the full tag on the orders as well. Go ahead and collapse. You'll see that this order doesn't have a tag. First, let's create a new tag for it. So we'll go to tags and go down to the bottom and create a new tag. Put in whatever the name of the tag is going to be. To select the tag color, you can leave it as the default, but if you want to customize it for your workflow, you can select one of our colors from here. You can play around and change it, or you can even put in the specific hex code if you want to do that. Once you're happy with the tag name and color, which can both be edited later, so this isn't anything set in stone, you can go ahead and hit save. You'll see a new tag was successfully added to the tags list. And now we can apply it to orders. So let's select this order. To apply the tag, we'll just select Apply Tags, and then select the tag from the drop-down. And we'll see it appear there. Now, if we want to filter by tags, in the Filter section, select Tags, select the tag you want to filter on, and it's going to filter down to all of the orders with that tag on. You can also filter by multiple tags as well. And then if we want to remove that tag filter, we can click an X there, click that X. Before I do that though, if you take a look at the URL, it's saving that tag filter. So if this is a filter that you need to use frequently, I would say bookmark it, and then you can just go directly to this filter with these tags. So go ahead and remove that. You see it goes away from the URL. And then if I want to delete the tags, any tags, I can select the tag drop down, find my tag, and hit this little trash can. And it'll confirm that you want to delete it because it could be associated with orders or anything. Click yes, and then that tag is successfully deleted, and you'll see it got removed from any orders it was associated with. If a tag was a part of an automation rule where you're automatically applying the tags, like this first class one, for example, you can't delete it immediately. You have to go remove it from the automation rule before you do that. It's just kind of there in place just so that we prevent you from doing that, so you don't mess up a rule or anything. But that's pretty much it. Applying tags, it's really all just selecting the orders you want to apply it to. You've got the tags filter. It's pretty simple to use, but if you have any questions about it, definitely let us know. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.